Hey everyone, Robert Bond here, and today I ain't got it. Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to Yo, Let's Make Eggs, or welcome to Yo, Let's Make the first episode. If there's more episodes, I should just riff. I don't know what the fuck is going on. We're gonna make some eggs because eggs are nice and they're easy and they're healthy and I don't know, they're fucking first, man. I'm making eggs. It's still heating up. So why is it heating up? Why am I doing this? Why am I making a video about cooking eggs? Because cooking is therapeutic and depression is motherfucking rampant in 2018. Is it really rampant in 2018, or were the case studies of depression just a lot less early in the days? I don't fucking know. I think times change, but people won't really. Alright, alright, that's nice and heated. Salted butter, so you don't have to use, well, I already told you. Get that in there. Get that in there. Yeah. Now, this is already a non-stick, so I add lots of butter because I like butter. Keep it in there. That might be too much, but who gives a fuck? Alright, so that's down there. Up here. And that's... I mean, the butter got the sizzle, so it's okay. We'll see where we're at in the temperature when the egg hits. I don't know how many of you using, but I'm using 2. So get this bitch out and you start mixing like a motherfucker. You take it off the heat and you give it that whip. You give it the whip, man. Damn, these eggs look like shit. I'm still gonna eat them though. Might have been a little too hot when I started. Yeah, it was too hot. It was too hot. Yeah. And a little bit of cream. Now, I don't look right now. It'll look right later. Add some cheese. Just like life. Nobody wants you in the middle of your cooking. Let yourself get cooked, man. Wow, I have literally never fucked up eggs before until there's a camera. Huh, crap. I mean, it's a little too hot though, so. Well, it is what it is. Here's our finished product. Overcooked scrambled eggs. Well, tastes fucking great, but the presentation shit. Okay, so yesterday I scrambled an egg, and I'll be honest with you, I hated the fucking presentation. Felt like a loser for a little bit. I'm gonna be real with you. But I realized my mistakes, so let's try uno mas, huh? Now, like I said before, the flavor was fine. It was just the presentation I wasn't fucking with. So let's try it again. But this time, I feel like I know where I fucked up. Like, I know where I fucked up last time. I knew it was too hot. 2 eggs. See? I don't hear no sizzle, and the white ain't white yet. Nice. It's gonna keep heating up on its own, so let it keep heating. Number 2 egg. Boom. Bit of heavy cream, just a little bit. I don't like heavy cream that much, honestly. Flavor don't appeal to me much, but it'll make some fluffy. And cheese. That's how you make some fucking cheese, goddammit. Now I turn up the heat. But nothing's cooked yet, you see? So now I got time to mix. And with time to mix, comes time to solidify and become a nice. Now this is a non-stick pan, so if you don't have a non-stick pan, please, for the love of God, make sure you oil and butter that bitch. There we go. There we go. And when it's just about done, at least from what I hear from the other cooking videos I've watched, when it's just about done, that's when you want to plate them. A nice cold plate, so it stops the cooking process. But motherfucker, I ain't that fancy. I'm gonna keep going until I'm completely. Get your plate ready. You didn't get your plate ready ahead of time, so carry the pan with you. Carry the pan with you. Now in my opinion, these look like some good, nice, fluffy eggs. I ain't got nothing else to eat with it, because I ain't cook anything else. But motherfucker, that's delicious. Alright. I'm happy with these eggs, so I don't have to make another egg video. Have a great day, guys. Thumbs up.